enti Afia Pokua Vimlady obedi nkomo afa tension abeda NDC party ni mu so far as omu presidential race aye concern on say na nsem mu na ese Nketia ebeto bomb bi e ma Harry Andrews so no I reply oni mutaka omu I reply ama akofa tension kese abegina NDC party ni mu na no ana Afia Vimlady abedi nkomo chirem say NDC for munya abotre mu forget kra na mo presidential race ni de Julius Debrah is in comfortable lead I PENYAH broke me that best one say any day over like if video that my boss grab button sabe click verification conflicts app the tab chere wa joda mama e work comment section over so no she for PENYAH be ahwe so ye nyina wa ha no bi ansi out of nowhere anyone say Asiedu Nketia akopi wo so thank you to go pie mu tamale south na hono mo no ana issue be see 2023 it's not that time na honorable Haruna Idrisu ono any man not do that in parliament na honorable Mutaka Mohammed I am minority chief whip our parliament eti yes san wo mu yes it's so corner Kevin Tabeka say omu business our parliament yes omu they were supporting Akufo-Addo low key it they can't be the front line of NDC caucus in parliament Kevin Tabeka started that agenda no Emma I said Nketia so be gina chire e ka say yenyi omu free hono yenyi omu free the front line of the NDC caucus in parliament yenyi omu from Esan omu e ko fa ato forcing ene Kwame government agboza e baaye that ne see ya no I said Nketia ko piem to south in his thank you turn no and as I call why a crown any answer but how the can say na abeya cause you me hu say ye de omu kwa MY omu ko to di party ni mu a e be dey party be na but I say indirect no party o kire say how na do sine mutaka omu ya party leaders in parliament no ana ama NDC entimi win election as I say we kire say omu abaye conquered in the NDC omu abaye bosun bi ase omu NDC gospels na say entwe ye e ma that day na no how na do so a reply Emma na be ye on the internet. Emma be kakra Kevin Tabeka say hey, bi obi anye din na me Kevin Tabeka me na me kire nipa o me di party enim. I know that on the internet I cover so many misunderstanding aba. Obi a kind there, obi a share the views. Na no, and Afia Pokua video say munya abotre. Dia course no nyina no, munya abotre na. Julius Debrah is in comfortable lead.
Enti ntokwa na eba be so NDC mu no, e champion for ntokwa. Acha bi na me kan say NDC. There are about 5 groups in NDC. And the air they are simple. Say another group as some baby can NDC there no President Mama squad. How they do so? I say don't get omuni President Mama squad. Omuni President Mama. In fact, how they do so? Free President Rawlings because it was under President Rawlings a time now. Obeda some one time who are they do so? Say no. Brown or being or a sharp. No, a National Union of Ghana Students for President or a sharp. And they discovered him then no be joining NDC with his brains. And Haruna Idrisu has been one of the consistent people in NDC. Very consistent. Obeya minority leader. Everybody saw what he delivered in NDC in terms of leadership. Very solid guy. Or MPP form who said no, there's fire. Just said, and he was delivering. Asiedu Nketia, having done politics with Rawlings from PNDC, he has seen it all. He has seen it all. But you see, when people say that Asiedu Nketia any personality, you're not born, so you can't use that against him. But there's a bigger agenda from the Mahama camp, because, and let me repeat, can say NDC factions, about 5. You have the old cadres, NDC for no. Asiedu Nketia squad, who do you are? Totobi Kwache, Captain Chikata, Captain Chikata, the way from Mukobanda, old squad, one of Rawlings, a chef, NDC, I see. Satan from PNDC, from AFRC na keda for the be mu CDR and omo de beti PNDC no sa old people no mo ye squad ho now with President Mahama emergency I say ya kasa old squad for na she very few people na say President Mahama hu eya oni omo ye adwuma to bi kwache no ya de no mo na mu ahoefo omo na mu but I say still ahoefo no omo mo fanti caucus Atamil stand na fanti caucus be ye visible that President Rawlings wo nya na fanti caucus because right now Mahama group na wa upper hand with NDC and Mahama group ni mu no na Julius Debrah atu force mu free enti atu force no is doubling between fanti caucus and Mahama group but Julius Debrah is a Mahama boy true and true so no the President Mahama e want full support for Julius Debrah but atu force no having worked very effectively under Mahama and switching camps to Mahama no so no one to force no soon say no fanti caucus no time atwam enti so person go ahead in politics say na Professor Mills no because Professor Mills na dey to force in politics say na Professor Mills dey fancy caucus one each other nye on switch camp mbra Mahama camp no switch here, so he's between the two, smartly playing between the two of them. But Mahama candidate pan chief of staff Julius Debrah. Enti squad na what NDC na make sure there's Rollins Keda for group no. There's the Fanti Caucus, there's the Mahama group. Then you have Mahama group no, you have two. Because Mahama group na first na a Northern Caucus. Northern Caucus must split into two. I don't do some group no. Dagomba 4. Dagomba 4 is different from Mahama group. Mahama group no more of Gonja 4. Gonja 4 no so that Dagomba 4 no from da near besi ne. Almost shada nye fine 100% sa. Sa game we are certain now. E be anywhere better funka games. Agrona fekra na start e do baby a. Because how na do so job no de Asiedu Nketia na comedies. Afia na Asiedu. Na Asiedu Nketia nkasa so doesn't want to go ahead of his time. It's in the video where me boy because he wanted to explain to anybody agrona yenye do contest. You do one na me Asiedu Nketia. Me see me squeeze out na do so balls. I can squeeze how na nkasa na so be she. But how na do so no so way no so betimi squeeze you Asiedu Nketia. Because mind you, how na do so no advantage. He's younger. So he's joined from two regions. He's joined from the northern sector. He's joined from a camp. He's at least for start a scribe before I gave Nebesuno. How the Bruce could have 3 regions. What he say? But they said get advantage over how the Bruce say he's bringing his old cadets or more influence. A do the idea the cadets. And I want to know so they young personality or the very Asiedu Nketia. Because a lot of people feel like President Mahama need one man. We must get somebody of the same caliber. And I don't do so. Yeah, for President Mahama line be Asiedu Nketia the is slightly different. Although Asiedu Nketia the which on your kasa else with a political experience on only President Mahama come. That's why Asiedu Nketia can boldly disagree on issues with President Mahama, and he will say it openly on Slovia. And that is the power Asiedu Nketia has. But also voters now always say no. A reflecting what delegates for me. That's why delegates polling stations say for the court no. Attorney General cross support because Attorney General support because Attorney General no fi Mahama come. NDC the court that's a court ni change law no. No court ni make a pronouncement, major pronouncement about delegates. Omonto abase if we necro. The court believes that for equality and for equity and for constitutional democracy to be upheld in it, you know. Delegates in the various political parties must be all registered voters, all registered members of the party. And it's a Mahama camp for normal winning. It will be between Julius Debrah at forcing Haruna Drusu. And Omunina so the Julius Debrah to Yihuan. And then Julius Debrah and Haruna Drusu no more experience at forcing. But because at forcing is sitting at the finance ministry. On no kuta Ghana pes. How they do to ministry na yede na koto no a trap no mo say no. Me ma kan say we actually they do to that. A trap. Education ministry. Now what ministry Harisoya of blessed memory. Munim Harisoya. Gen Z for munim. Go and Google Harisoya. You know, he was able to deal with them. How they do to not to no stro. It was so Asiedu Nketia. Mbubo una Asiedu Nketia boy on stro no. How Nedrusu can match Asiedu Nketia? He has that much of political experience. And it's a game number from 2027. Mube huni nyina say eba be gu ono mebe chan MPP for there no. And I want mube hu se President Mahama the candidate in Julius Debrah. Na me answer me feel Julius Debrah. Me paro Nedrusu asemba me feel Julius Debrah. Because he belongs to the because see make us a court case way eba na se court nka say ye ma delegates for nyina and registered members. Any registered party members into aba use through the door so and one advantage to Mahama nkofo because Mahama for me nyina young Asiedu Nketia nkofo ni old into omo a very disadvantage to them. Court case way is a disadvantage to Asiedu Nketia because Asiedu Nketia more of the people who like Asiedu Nketia older people, more of those who like Haruna Drusu, even Haruna Drusu cry you have more of the 40-year-olds 30 years 50 something for normal Haruna Drusu. But most of the young ones don't Julius Debrah to forcing. It is a court to no case. All registered party members and Badia and Julius Debrah to forcing. Ombenya advantage. How the do so will have to look for money. Instead of make us say education ministry near then got in a trap. They want Aaron Edrusu to fail so bad. But me knowing Aaron Edrusu, no, yeah, Mahama at Anos time, at Anos by Aaron Edrusu or communication. People all think that communication ministry is one of the juicy ministries. Including Mahama by look at the people who have been taken to juicy ministries. So many Mahama boys. Okujeto Black Mahama boy, foreign affairs. Sam George Mahama boy, communications. How they do so no Mahama boy in education. So one home bachelor. School for computer placement home ba home bachelor. Teachers cost strike I want home bachelor. Labor unions ni nyina amusu ho for one home bachelor. And no ya 100 do so adwuma. Nti first year university sika ya Mahama ka so betu one first sika na nkopɛ ho na bachelor. School feeding home ba asema minister education. There's an agenda say how they do so the be more abreba how they do so no smart guy. He is built for the job. He understands the job. How they do so? He's built for the job. He understands the job. And you are in there, how they do so will sail through. Not with a challenge, mom dear. But you see, at the time, no more than the core communication. Mahama baby at the time, no unity communication because no more I dream say communication. They how they do so. You when you start the campaign for president because that time, no more. He said knowledge. He said how they do so presidential ambition. Obey to be a deep president simple. And he sabotage how they do so. We unity communication. No more than the better labor. Now again, Aaron Edrusu as smart as he is, or succeeding under Mahama in labor ministry. And the Mahama and call for baby money we. Until the second coming of Mahama, no more than to education, Nina agenda. They want to suppress Aaron Edrusu by Enfa. They want to sabotage him by Enfa. Aaron Edrusu is built for the job. You see, Asiedu Nketia, even as chairman, on also I not say there's no amount of sabotage in the Bay Juma, on also call the woman and call. Okono when winning on when himself legitimate, we were fighting a battle when winning. Nobody should attempt to sabotage the Asiedu Nketia. And as chairman, the first time Kabaka said Asiedu Nketia any resources. Now as chairman of NDC, no resources. And I thank you to Anoka Sonyeska when Odeko. Oh, he's very resourceful. And as smart politician as Asiedu Nketia, he knows where to get the money for his campaign. And in a smart level, no, even the facts on who decided say me yeah, thank you to. Or as smart will be President Mama Nakasa Kone, thank you to a Yentikada and Asiedu Nketia Bekobos, may come thank you to. Me say, as chairman and leader of the party, may come thank you to. Political apalachiki no experience. Or your campaign pa ba we friend and toma, may thank you to. And a child say penny the penny. Penny the and until I hear Julius Debrah today, one show you Asiedu Nketia baby start. And no as chief of staff, on your brain President Mama, it to be about all the resources no chief of staff in national go. Or no back for ministry as I yeah. Now South Africa for you cry, I say could you tell black one Julius Debrah handle. Why is Julius Debrah involved in a foreign affairs issue? Sanka Okujeto Black one is adequately prepared to someone counter ministry to execute the deportation. Again, my member Okujeto Black one baso. Ghana for South Africa, you or the Omabe Fie the Wayadi. And what the Wayadi. A black one deliver. If you see the joy on the faces of Ghana for na ya boom or South Africa Omabe na, you could see Okujeto no dear. We are bonny and me fire or drop bull. But way South Africa they wait why are they? When they why are they? You have delivered. Why are they? But what they share how and conforming land here, not Julius Debrah jinemu. No campaign. Say don't get here we are staff. No, yeah, thank you to there. There's every justification say Nisa Julius Debrah chief of staff for to if you know that. And also be nama deportees for because they are all going to register till Ghana for big picture no share. Yes, I deportees or my bench no money vote to cry, and then on my bagana no. A Drew see a registration, all of them will register. And chances are that Papa buy a ya or do a free South Africa bar. What do you free South Africa for time and one they will vote first NDC. And even they do delegates also na say or more registered members near to me to a bar. All of them are likely to go and register as NDC members and vote. And one of that woman say Julius will give me man, Julius Medina Airport. And Julius say I buy my bar, not Julius woman. So that one Julius Debrah. And to Julius Debrah so the smart thinking. Smart thinking. Kwani Bama. Smart thinking. And Julius Debrah say no, I deal with it. Victory about South Africa issue, you also didn't would you now and conforming vote to free South Africa, but they must know they say on Julius Debrah facilitate idea way. That's another smart thinking. And this game, no, more than 5 factions na ebe come tokwa no ebe train funka games Sa primaries na eba na odi obedi Mahama ade no. Enu ti na nkrofo bi na no meti se kitchen blogger ye de odi o kata to me so eno no be kire de obedi NDC presidential candidate no be kire de obey president. Na no me ka kire NDC nye ya wojata bi ye. NDC say no be kire na wo ye Rollins want to me cause atame osensa wo Asiedu. Abra obeda sama feel so no na nka wo se ye de ne call as ye first presidential candidate for 2000 elections no. Now Rollins a page Atamos said, when me double so many way and simplicity, that was what happened. You cannot challenge Rollins. Even Almighty Rollins according to Moja signing NDC manifesto. I don't know yes, Swedo declaration to unanimously select a friend saying arbitrarily select Atamos no. Ono credu baby NDC for Cassetiano. Rollins, Almighty Rollins, a do baby NDC for Cassetiano. Now who born dog? So I wouldn't vote to Ghana. Wow, kitchen blogger. Who born dogs are who telitabi. Who the only man at MDM PhD. You didn't form NDC. Who call your latter day saint? That be not be NDC. Now NDC for full soldiers been on my day from low IQ. Now we are saying no boy and power. Can you imagine? You know what it takes to do politics from grassroots level, even NDC world level? Now I thank Nupenu Yankupon Shapa. The real Nebuchadnezzar of insults. And because only had Nebuchadnezzar of insults in Tino, only the Adjena onim cross at the ward level. Because before NDC become presidential primaries, no, they do ward elections. The MPP for the police station elections, NDC for the ward elections at the very grassroots, that's a unit committee level, no, on their ward elections. Assign award elections, no matter first a constituency elections. No matter constituency elections, no matter regional elections, no matter national elections, they have to build the party structure from beneath to the top. That is how NDC structure it here. Now, the delegates will come together to come and vote for the presidential. Now, even if the court will in Komukase, you be a mukra for every NDC card bearing member crack or to a bar. It does not lie in your mouth. So what now bet you? Because you see, not doing any say. NDC full soldiers are gullible, but trust me, Ghana 4 boys near Banner. A bit of me are gullible there, but most of them are not that gullible. The gullible ones near more they know social media, no, but they are quite a sizable amount of people are. Or many that it's in your one other catch and media, never the cassette. When there was a presidential candidate to NDC immunity, he's under that illusion, but probably national no illusion. Self full said because of bad air. Some few people by the comment section be commenting, you know, and more penase more to the sense of my family or canto enyame into the bekan no be actually. When push come to shove, obehu ne tenten. You see a punch any owu and you ne tenten. When the frog dies, you see the full length of the frog. Now, NDC primary so he will get the shock of his life, say, and you know, and obey determine who becomes the presidential candidate. You see, that is why on mounting an attack on Muntaka. Why? Me catch am say nipa no what gender be against a particular region for and Muntaka fi Ashanti region. And because Muntaka fi Ashanti region potentially we have the dreams to free one man, even in the minority that one of the people whose names have come up said obetimi abaye NDC presidential candidate Muntaka. Go and check Muntaka record okay in UST. Or a bema of solid standing. Muntaka no or a solid man of solid standing. What TV is an academic. What being na Muntaka na mon was some of nyansa very level-headed. Muntaka nkasa rough hardly. Oba could be no be a minister of sports under Mahama time no more setting up teaching guardian it was a setup. Teaching Ghana it was a setup. And the kitchen cabinet kitchen blogger na dream na say or bringing Muntaka down. Not just a Muntaka presidential ambition no we doom the Kenya. Yes, I money na man Vim to me the cat and men na make ready on your NDC presidential candidate. Because not doing so we doom Muntaka Kenya or what? What to be doom Muntaka Kenya? Ye move your way. Onkwa just because Muntaka mouse kendintino. Because how say bully no sao. O huna ni pants at say koko bi ni afetika megu koko atin company na koko tete ono su businessman on pet problem or tete or here chale metimi ama obi mo nko hu ne ma me why obeje sen 1 billion ana o 2 billion ana 3 billion ana mfa nko ma no ma me why no nka me da no yin pressure ni free me so sa Muntaka emfa
Chira wadwen fama me e wo comment section hi PENYAH Media Accra.